How to do logo flip animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Open up Media Pool and drag two images one by one. Select Media in one node, press Shift plus Space, search for Image Plane 3D and Renderer 3D, and add them. Connect Renderer 3D to Media Out. Select Image Plane 3D and move the playhead to the start. Then from Transform tab click on Diamond button next Rotation Y to add a starting keyframe. Move playhead to frame 30 and set rotation Y to -90 to add another keyframe. Now we have this animation. Select Media in 2 node, press Shift plus Space, search for Image Plane 3D node again, and add it. Connect the first Image Plane 3D node to output of the second node to merge them. Connect Merge 3D node to Renderer 3D node. Select New Image Plane 3D node and while the playhead is still at frame 30 click on Transform tab. Set rotation Y to -270 and click on Diamond button next to it to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 60 and set rotation Y to -360 to add another keyframe. Select Renderer 3D node and with Shift plus Space search for Drop Shadow and add it. Now to smoothen the animation, open up Spline panel and check both Image Plane 3D checkboxes. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curve to the keyframes. If you want, you can drag the handles to have something like mine. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.